Kusangpo, hello and welcome back to my channel Travel and Food Journey with Gezang. Friends, today I want to take you guys to Long Island City in Queens, just to share with you guys the beautiful Manhattan skyline view that you get to see from there during nighttime. And friends, I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and comment if you do. And thank you for watching and enjoy the view, friends.
Oh my gosh, it looks so beautiful. And that's FDR when if you see any cars going by. And those are the buildings. And this is Astoria. Oh my gosh, the tide is so high, the water has come up really high. And hello, and there's a duck, just see, swimming. So that's what I want to show to you guys. And it is, what time is it right now? It's 8:36 and it's still see, it's not dark yet. So that's what I want to take you guys. Wow. And here it says, hello Long Island City.
And friends, it was like 45 minutes walk on Vernon Boulevard. And finally I have reached here right in the center of Long Island City. And I'm just 1 block away from the Manhattan skyline view. But friends, you know, this area looks so different to me than what I remember 10 or 15 years ago, because this has developed so much. You know, it's so surprising and amazing to see how fast this place this place is developing. It's still under development.
Oh, and I'm sure you can see it at the front, the Manhattan view, you know, right there. I'm sure you see it.
The hot dog guy was right there. There's nobody online.
Oh, you know, I'm so excited actually. The red building is the Empire State Building, this red one. And the other one is the Chrysler building. Huh?
Yeah.
That one is the Chrysler.
And friends, if you're hungry, there's a food court right next to, right next to the Manhattan skyline, and where you can enjoy a sandwich or anything else. And this food court actually has really good menu, friends. And friends, just coming in the front, the red and the white Empire State Building is the red one, and the white one is the Chrysler Building. And friends, and then the view that you get to see from here is so beautiful. You know, East Rivers is right there. And also this is part of the newer development that I have not been here before. And friends, just look at all the tall buildings that has come up here in recent years. I mean, this was not here 10 to 15 years ago.
I know it's I think almost after 9 o'clock, but still then see, it's really, really safe here. See, there are lots of people actually. As a matter of fact, there's people, I don't know if you can see it or not. It's too dark, but there are people playing here and there are other people walking also. So
Friends, I would let you enjoy the beautiful Manhattan skyline view with one of my favorite Bhutanese songs, which I absolutely love. So enjoy, friends. Friends, I end my vlog here today for Long Island City, and thank you for watching. Please share, like and comments, and